Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Plays. Today, we're making something super yummy pizza. Forget ordering in, we're making restaurant-level pizza even better, right here in your kitchens. Ready to get messy and learn the secrets to amazing pizza? Let's go! Okay everyone, pizza starts with the dough, the very foundation of your delicious creation. The base of your amazing food. It's not just about any dough, but a dough made with care and the right ingredients. No pre-made stuff, this is about real ingredients and great taste. Freshness is key here. First, you need strong flour, which gives the dough its structure and chewiness. Then, add water, some olive oil for richness, salt for flavor, and yeast to make it rise. Mix these with love, kneading until you have a smooth, stretchy dough. Now this is important. Kneading develops the gluten, which gives the dough its elasticity. Cover your dough and let it rise in a warm spot for at least an hour. Longer is better. This resting period allows the dough to ferment and develop flavor. This makes the flavor and texture awesome. The dough becomes airy and light, perfect for a great pizza base. A slow rise lets the yeast do its thing, making air pockets for a light and airy crust. These air pockets are crucial for that perfect bite. Once your dough is twice as big, punch it down gently to get rid of air bubbles. This step ensures an even texture. Then, divide it into pieces for your pizzas. Each piece should be just the right size for your pizza, ensuring even cooking and a perfect crust. Listen, you can't put a boring sauce on great dough. The dough is the foundation, but the sauce is the soul of your pizza. It can make or break the entire experience. The sauce is super important for your pizza. It's what gives each bite that burst of flavor. Forget those bland store sauces, they just don't cut it when you're aiming for perfection. We're making a fresh, flavorful sauce, one that's bursting with the natural sweetness and tanginess of tomatoes. Start with ripe, juicy tomatoes. These are the heart of your sauce, providing that rich, authentic taste. Now, you might want to use canned tomatoes. They're convenient and can be quite good. That's okay, but not the best. Fresh tomatoes will always give you a superior flavor. Fresh tomatoes give you a flavor you can't get from a can. Chop those tomatoes finely, then cook them with garlic, onion, to build a deep, savory base. Some chili if you like it spicy, for that extra kick, and lots of olive oil. It adds richness and helps meld all the flavors together. Add salt, pepper, and some oregano. These seasonings elevate the sauce, making it aromatic and flavorful. Let it cook until it's a nice, thick sauce. Remember, keep it simple. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors meld together. Let the fresh ingredients do their thing. Trust in their natural flavors to shine through and make your pizza unforgettable. Chapter 3. Turn up the heat. This is where it gets real. A super hot oven is key for a perfect crust. We're talking 500 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe even hotter if your oven can do it. You want that heat to make a crispy, golden brown crust. Preheating is a must. A cold oven ruins good pizza. While your oven heats up, get your pizza stone or baking sheet ready. The high heat makes the dough puff up, the cheese melt perfectly, and the toppings cook evenly. Chapter 4 Toppings. Get creative. Now for the fun part, toppings. This is where you can truly let your imagination run wild and make your pizza unique. This is where you can get creative. Think about the flavors you love and how they can come together on your pizza. But remember, less is often more. A few well-chosen toppings can make a big impact. Don't put too much on your pizza, or it'll be soggy. Balance is key to a perfect pizza. Start with good mozzarella cheese. It's the foundation of a great pizza. Freshly grated is best, but pre-shredded is fine if you're in a hurry. Just make sure it's good quality. Spread a thin layer of sauce on your dough, leaving a little edge for the crust. This helps to keep the pizza from getting too soggy. Then sprinkle on lots of cheese. Fresh veggies are important. They add color, flavor, and nutrition. Think bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, olives, artichoke hearts. These are classic choices that never fail. Slice your veggies thinly so they cook well. Try something new. Experiment with different combinations. Add some fancy meats like prosciutto, salami, or even chorizo. These can elevate your pizza to a gourmet level. Chapter 5. Finishing touches. Like a real chef. Okay, your pizza is out of the oven, smells amazing, and you're ready to eat. But wait, a few final things can make your pizza even better. First, let the pizza cool a little before cutting. This lets the cheese set. A little good olive oil adds flavor. Some freshly grated Parmesan cheese adds a salty taste. And for a final touch, tear some fresh basil leaves on top. It's all about the little things, making it your own. Outrow Perfect Pizza, there you go. My best tips for making pizza everyone will love. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Plays for more recipes and cooking tips. Share your pizzas with me in the comments. Now go and make some awesome pizza.